Northbound 384.
So they did pull into the Exxon. The cab of the 18-wheeler is going to be black or dark green. It's just a plain white box trailer with a main license plate.
Come on, take the exit.
Before you can choke me out, I'm gonna go talk to this guy.
10-4. Can you call in?
All right, put down the phone. Put down the phone. How about the Texas Highway Patrol? The reason for the stop tonight is driving on the improved shoulder. What took so long for you to pull over?
So I'm trying to figure out where I'm going. I'm getting directions to someone's house, and at the same time, you have your lights on. I'm trying to figure out where I'm going.
Okay, why can't you take this?
Talking to someone nearby me.
Okay.
Trying to figure out where I'm going.
Who takes priority? I do. Okay. When I activate my emergency lights, you pull over. Okay. You don't keep going for another 3-4 miles.
Where?
when I first activated my lights, you had half of a mile to stop. You had a good shoulder, then you had an exit you could take. Then you kept on going. There was another shoulder you could stop. There was a good portion. Let me see your driver license, your insurance. Where are you coming from tonight? Where are you coming from tonight, ma'am?
Downtown Dallas.
Okay, what are we doing in downtown Dallas?
Out with my friends.
How much alcohol have you consumed this evening?
One drink.
Just one? What was it?
Vodka pineapple.
Okay. What time did this drink? What time did you have this drink?
11.
So it was a good time to go. What have you been doing for the last 2 hours? 2.5 hours?
I sat in the parking lot talking to my friends for about 45 minutes and I started this way. And I'm trying to find my way to a place that's unfamiliar to me.
Where are you trying to go? Huh?
It's my fiance's house.
You don't know where your fiance lives?
Smoke here.
Okay, where did he move to?
Waxahachie.
Okay, well, but where in Waxahachie?
The address is not even the map. The problem is the map won't pull it up. So it's like, I think it's this exit.
How long have your fiance lived here?
Like 3 days.
Oh, so it really is just.
Yeah.
Do you not know where your driver license is?
It wasn't here. I gotta find it.
When did you go to the grocery store?
Like 7 o'clock today.
And this stuff has been back there the entire time?
Yeah, because I didn't have enough time.
Eggs and chicken?
Yeah, I didn't have enough time to get the groceries there. I had to go out.
That's not safe to eat anymore.
Yes, it is.
I see your insurance.
I got a food,
Just put. Okay. Just go ahead and step on out for me. Just set your phone down. You can leave all that stuff there on the seat.
All right.
Take the hat off for me. Set it on the seat, please. Thank you. Just step on back here. Just set the hat down. I don't want you to lose it. That's the only reason.
No, it's fine.
Thank you. I also see there's a couple of containers of alcohol in the back seat. It looks like wine and
Yes,
vodka.
I'm bringing that from groceries from my house to his house.
So when you got that this morning?
We got there like 7 o'clock this evening. And then I went and met my friends downtown Dallas. And then he started trying to tell me the address. And when I saw your lights and everything was got ready to try to get over to the shoulder, I was like, this is not a safe place to get. So I was trying to exit. Yeah.
So you told me you only had one drink of alcohol.
Yes, I had vodka and pineapple.
How much alcohol was it?
It was like maybe a half of a glass of this tall.
How much vodka was it?
It was weak.
So who drank the rest of the vodka?
That vodka and that wine came from my house.
You told me you just bought at the grocery store at 7.
All the groceries I bought from the grocery store. The wine and the alcohol I strictly brought from my house to take to his house. And he just literally moved there like 3 days ago. So I'm like, where am I going? And he's trying to tell me, exit 408, exit 403. I'm like, where in the hell? And I graduated from Cedar Hill. I graduated from UT. And I'm like, I don't know where you
You
are.
don't know this area. All right.
Jesus Christ.
Well, just wait over here for me where my light is. I'll be right back with you, okay, ma'am? Not your insurance. Confirmed. 1123 Waco.
1123, go ahead.
Gonna be out conducting SFSTs in the Waxahachie Ford parking lot. It'll be just off southbound Interstate 35 near the 404 mile marker.
You're saying?
You can come and stand back up here for me. Alright, so I'm going to be conducting a couple tests based on the driving behavior, the alcohol in the bag. Just had one drink. What do you do? Stand at your feet, heels and toes together, arms down your side like this, down your side. Maintain that position and do not move until I tell you to. Do you understand? Do you wear glasses or contacts?
I do wear glasses.
What do you wear glasses for?
My right eye is not, I can't see very well on my right eye.
What's wrong with it?
I just can't see.
Okay. Alright. Well,
I was like,
can you see that blue light?
I can.
Okay. Can you reach up and touch that with your right index finger for me?
Yes.
Thank you. And can you do that same thing with your left index finger? So, what I need you to do is you're going to follow that blue light with your eyes and your eyes only. You're not going to move your head. Do you understand?
Yes.
I'm going to have this light up here. I'll dim it so it's not super bright for you, okay? Alright, you need to keep your head facing towards me.
Okay.
You're going to follow this just with your eyes. You're not going to move your head around. You're just going to follow it with your eyes. Do you understand?
Yes.
The light will stay blue. I'm going to start moving really slowly, so keep on following, alright? Oh, wait, right here. I'm going to move my vehicle a little bit. We have a few more tests.
Before Robert 28.
So, what you need to do, stand with your feet, heels, and toes together, arms down your side, facing towards this direction for me. All right. This one is called the walk and turn. Do you have any, like, I saw you had high heels. Like,
Yeah.
Do you have any, like, maybe flat shoes or anything in the car?
I do.
What do you want to put them on?
Sure.
You can go ahead and do that. You might be better barefoot.
Okay.
You might be better barefoot.
Yeah, I don't think
I was just trying to help. All right, so feet, heels, and toes together, arms turn side, facing towards this direction. All right, I'm going to stand over here. So this is called the walk and turn. What you need to do is imagine a straight line extending from your left foot out in front of you towards the license plate on my car. All right, take your left foot, place it on that line, then take your right foot, place it in front of your left foot on that line, touching heel to toe, like so. Your arms down by your side. Oh, don't start yet. Oh. Take your right foot, put it in front of your left foot, your right foot. Arms down by your side. Maintain that position. Do not move until I tell you. Okay? All right. When I tell you to begin, you're going to be taking 9 heel to toe steps down that line. You're going to be turning in a manner of which I will show you shortly. Then you're going to be returning, taking 9 more heel to toe steps down that line. All right. It's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3. On your 9th step, you're going to leave your front foot where it is. You're going to turn around, taking a series of small steps. It means multiple steps, okay? And you're going to return, taking 9 more heel to toe steps. Stand back how I had you. 1, 2, 3. Okay? I took 3 steps both ways. You need to make sure you take 9. Go ahead and place your right foot in front of your left foot again. So when you're doing this, remember 9 heel to toe steps down that line. You're going to turn around, taking a series of small steps. You're going to take 9 heel to toe steps back. When you're doing this, you need to keep your arms down by your side. You need to count and step out loud. 1, 2, 3. Make sure they're heel to toe steps. That means the heel of one foot touches the toe of the other foot. Okay? Just like so. And you're not going to stop the test once you've started. Do you understand all these instructions? You can go ahead and begin. Through. What I need to do, face towards this way again. Stand with your feet, heels and toes together, arms down at your side. You're going to maintain that position until I tell you. This one's called the one leg stand. What you're going to be doing is taking a leg of your choice. You're going to be lifting that foot approximately 6 inches off the ground and keeping it parallel to the ground. Parallel, as flat as you can make it above the ground. Okay? When you're doing this, you need to have your arms down by your side. You need to look down at the foot you have raised. You need to count out loud, 1001, 1002, 1003, and you're not going to put your foot down once you started the test. Okay? I'll go ahead and demonstrate it for you now. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, and so on and so on until I tell you to stop. You're going to keep on counting up until I tell you to stop.
Oh, okay.
Okay? Do you understand all these instructions?
I think so. Just start with 1001, go up to
All right. A leg of your choice, approximately 6 inches off the ground, parallel to the ground.
Okay.
You're going to look down at that foot, count 1001, 1002, 1003. Keep on counting up.
Okay.
Keep your arms down by your side,
Okay.
your legs as straight as you can. You're not going to put your foot down or anything once you start the test. All right. You can go ahead and begin.
1001.
Look down at your foot.
1002. 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, 1020, 1021, 1022.
Well, you can go ahead and stop. You can put your foot down. I'll be right back, okay? Alright, ma'am. You're being placed under arrest for driving while intoxicated. I need you to keep facing towards my car. Form the opinion if you've lost the normal use of your mental or physical faculties due to the introduction of alcohol into your system. You're gonna be sitting in the front passenger side of my patrol car, okay? Wait right back here. Let's make sure just wait. You can go ahead and sit up here. I'm gonna reach around and buckle you in. .23 Waco. Going to be 95 one time with the subject on my tree, 1055. Can you go ahead and get me the next rotation record out of the Waxahachie zone? Again, I'm going to be in the Waxahachie Ford parking lot off Thornhill Drive, just off of southbound Interstate 35 Service Road. Have you ever been arrested before, ma'am? No. I'm going to read you something now. These are your warnings. Now that you're subject in custody, they're what's known as the Miranda warnings. Before you're asked any questions, it is my duty to advise you of your rights and to warn you of the consequences of waiving these rights. 1. You have the right to remain silent and not make any statement at all, and any statement you make may be used against you at your trial. 2. Any oral or written statement you make may be used as evidence against you in court. 3. You have the right to have a lawyer present to advise you before and during any questioning by peace officers or attorneys representing the state. 4. If you're too poor to hire a lawyer, you have the right to have a lawyer appointed by the court to advise you before and during any questioning. 5. You have the right to terminate. Do you understand all your rights? Yes. Okay. I'm going to go inventory your vehicle. I already called for a tow truck to come and pick it up, okay?
Okay, we can call my mother and father.
Where do they live?
My mother's in Arlington. My father is in downtown Dallas. He's a judge for Dallas court, and I just want to, I'm shocked I've been arrested, but, or if I could at least, I can either have my friend call them.
Okay, they are a little too far away.
Or can I let my fiance know he's a mile up?
Yeah, I'll let you call him and let him know what's
happening. He was on the phone, so it may not have hung up, but I just want to let him know where I'm at. Plus, I have two sons that.
Where are your sons at?
My 9-year-old is with his father, and my other son is at home. I live in Grapevine.
Okay, how old's your other son?
17.
Okay, oh, so he's fine by himself.
Yeah, he's okay. And my 9-year-old.
I just wanted to make sure. I'll let you make some.
That was wrong.
Drive while intoxicated.
I'm not that drunk.
Okay.
Did I not do something?
They're based on my observations, both of your driving, your
and
behavior,
I think that was a
and of the
combination of me
field
being
sobriety
on the phone
test.
with someone while I was trying to
Like
get
I told you
pulled
before,
over.
I formed the opinion you're driving while intoxicated. All right, I'm gonna go inventory your vehicle, and I'll be right back.
Can you call him and let him know where?
Yeah, I'll let you call him. I'll let you call him in a little while. All right. That's alcohol right there. She's actually drinking while she was driving. Vodka smells strong. Take these shoes with me?
Sure.
I'll just set them down here. Where's your cell phone?
It was in the driver's seat.
Oh, in the driver's seat. Okay.
It was laying right there.
All right, what does it look like?
Android, black, and the kids.
Okay. This is your phone, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, do you need your whole purse?
Yeah, that way I can have him get it.
I'll grab it. I'll grab what I can. Your purse might be too large. They don't have a lot of room to store your stuff at the jail. Okay, I'll grab your wallet.
That's probably mine.
332, he's clear.
Yes, sir. Okay. She said she wanted to call you and talk to you anyway. She's under arrest for an intoxication offense. Okay. I'll let her get out and speak to you for a minute. Just go ahead and pull up there in front of her car, okay? All right. That is your fiance?
Yes.
I told him he could talk to you, so after he parks, I'm going to let him walk back in and talk to you. Okay?
Are you a Waxahachie officer?
I'm a state trooper.
State trooper.
You can step on out of. Oh, you have a little cat. I didn't realize you had a kid in the back.
Okay, thank you.
I'll go ahead and walk her up here to talk to you. Okay. All right. I'm just gonna let you walk up there and talk to him. See the little kid in the car.
Oh, yeah.
You can go ahead and step on it. Step back here so I can close the door. And whatever you need out of the vehicle, can we just give it to him?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where? You know where you're going to take me?
Yes, Ellis County Jail in Waxahachie.
And then what does he need to do so he can get me out? My dad.
We'll just have to wait till tomorrow. I'll explain, or well, later today. I'll explain it to him. Okay. Yes, sir.
So she passed all the tests?
It's not a pass-fail test. It's not a pass-fail test. It's just a courtesy on letting you talk.
He never take that good test.
No, I know. I
need our test.
was asking like what happened.
She can
I was talking to him on the phone. He didn't like the fact that he was like, why you didn't pull over right when I
Ma'am.
was told you?
Ma'am, if that's how the conversation is going, I'm just going to walk you right back over to the car. Okay? I'm going to let you talk to him for a minute. But if this is how the conversation will go, I'm just going to walk you right back over
Wait,
there.
you just told her to explain. I asked you though. I'm asking.
We're not here to about what has happened. Okay? She said she wanted to speak to you a few minutes before we left. We're not here to talk about this. We can talk about anything else you want.
So what's the, how do I get her out? Like, what's the,
So she's going to be going to Ellis County Jail in Waxahachie. She has to see a judge and then she can get arraigned. And once she sees him, the bond will be set tonight. It'll be whenever the judge comes in.
is he coming in tonight?
Normally they come in September. I know, sir. I already have a tow truck coming out. I told her whenever she wants out of that vehicle, she can release the use. So what would you like?
Just my keys. If what? So he can't take my car,
No, he doesn't have anyone to drive. It's just him.
but they don't need to do it.
I can get somebody to drive. I can just drove the shop. So thank you. Like,
Tow truck a little before you got out here. Yes, sir. Let's go ahead and walk back.
so you said I can get whatever I can out of the car. That's what you said.
Yeah, you can get whatever you, whatever.
Can he take my license too?
Nah, that's, y'all give that to you at the jail.
Can I get out?
Just wait for a minute, okay? Just, I'll walk right back up with you. Just walk back to my car. Yeah, I'll give him your purse. Just walk back to my car.
The only thing I need him to have out of my purse, my cards. He's gonna have to go and get my son's.
Okay.
But I know you see my purse is big. But if I could have my purse on me,
On your person?
like check it in, or I know they're not gonna give it to me.
Your entire purse? We can't take your entire purse. Do you want me to grab your wallet from inside your purse?
I just need to be able to contact my dad, contact my mom, and those numbers in my purse.
The numbers aren't in your phone?
Some of them, some of them are. But I was gonna give him. I know you gotta keep my license, but I was gonna give him my, like my cards, my keys.
Okay. The keys are going to go with the record driver.
So they have to tow my car.
Yes. I'm just going to give him
won't
your
let him
purse.
take it?
I'm going to give him your purse and bring you your wallet. Okay? Anything else?
It's another wallet.
Another wallet. What does it look like?
Another Louis Vuitton wallet.
What's it look like?
It has LBs on it. It's brown. It's trimmed in red.
How big is it?
It's about the same size as that one.
I'll go grab that. That's the last thing now.
Yes, sir.
There's nothing even in it.
No, there is. My card.
Okay, I'll just put that one card in this
No,
one.
I'm going to give it to him.
Okay, I'll give it to him.
But
What all do you want me to release to him?
that card right there.
Okay, what else?
And you said you can't give him a license, right?
No. You'll be able to pick that up when you get out of the jail.
Okay. So then just
Just the card.
yeah.
just asked me to give you her card, and that was it. Okay. So she said that's the only thing she wanted me to give you under you. So like I said, she's going to be going to the Ellis County Jail. It's just right down the road. It's Mall Catching. She has to see the judge and get arraigned. And once that happens, should be able to be released. It should all happen today.
Are you about to drive it now?
I'm just waiting for the record to come pick up the vehicle that we're going to drive her over there. Is there anything else you need from me?
What happened?
She can explain that to you after the here.
So she couldn't tell me and you couldn't tell me.
She can tell you once she gets out of jail.
Alright.
I just wasn't going to stand here while her and you start chewing the other.
Right, but you, that's why I asked you. I'm asking you.
That's what was happening.
No, that's not.
I'm trying to be respectful.
I'm asking you now. That's all I'm doing.
It's not my place to tell you.
I wanted you to tell me that. Because I know how she is. That's why I asked you.
Again, it's not my place to say. This is something that happened to her. It's not my place to tell you. She can tell you if she wishes to. You're free to go. You don't have to wait here any longer. I'm just waiting on a record of that. You're not going to follow me. You're not going to follow me into the jail. You can't even go into the jail. You're not going to follow me over there. You're going to follow the record?
No. She's going to jail. That's all.
She is going to jail. Again, you're not going to be following me over there. She is going to jail. Everything's being recorded too on more than one camera. So nothing's scheduled to happen. Okay. You're free to go. 'Cause you called as soon as you were able to.
Yes, sir.
11:23. Wake up.
11:23.
What wrecker is coming to take possession of this vehicle?
$11:23.
10-4. Can you email me the 27, 28, and 43 for my tree, please?
Please, stand by.
116.
Go ahead.
We're getting calls now of gunshots from that party. Nobody knows who it is that has the gun.
Yeah, 10-4, those are the ones we just heard. We're en route. What are the, do you have numbers on Almond?
It's 616, 616. One of the callers said that somebody by the tree. That's all they can say.
10-4, so you got a call from the actual party itself, from a party goer?
10-4 from 2 different people at the party.
Yeah.
333 status.
Clear.
10-4.
One, I copy.
10-4.
$116, let's shut down Almond Road on both sides for right now. 119, if you come from Pilar 813 that way, and we're going to be on the Palmyra side, and let's just go ahead and close it off until we figure out what we got here. There's quite a few cars leaving already.
John Miller? Okay, thank you. The keys are on the roof.
We got a lot of traffic, folks.
Done with y'all.
Huh?
I just got done with y'all on up there, right up.
35? Oh. That's something else. Top next one.
412.
Yeah. Yeah, I saw him up there. Here is your coffee.
I don't mind.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. going to be reading you something now. I'm required to read this. This is a copy for you to follow along with. The light should be decent enough over there for you to read it as well. Can you see that?
I have my glasses, but I can
Okay. This is Texas statutory warning. The form number is a DIC-24. I'll let you know that some of this won't apply to you, but I have to read the entire form. Okay. Also, just bear with me. You're under arrest for an offense arising out of acts alleged to have been committed while you're operating a motor vehicle in a public place or a watercraft while intoxicated, or an offense under Section 106.041 Alcoholic Beverage Code. You will be asked to give a specimen of your breath and or blood. The specimen will be analyzed to determine the alcohol concentration or the presence of a controlled substance, drug, dangerous drug, or other substance in your body. If you refuse to give the specimen, that refusal may be admissible in a subsequent prosecution. Your license, permit, or privilege to operate a motor vehicle will be suspended or denied for not less than 180 days, whether or not you are subsequently prosecuted for this offense. If you refuse to submit to the taking of a specimen, the officer may apply for a warrant authorizing a specimen to be taken from you. If you are 21 years of age or older, and submit to the taking of a specimen, and an analysis of the specimen shows that you have an alcohol concentration of 0.08 or more, your license, permit, or privilege to operate a motor vehicle will be suspended or denied for not less than 90 days, whether or not you are subsequently prosecuted for this offense. If you are younger than 21 years of age and have any detectable amount of alcohol in your system, your license, permit, or privilege to operate a motor vehicle will be suspended or denied for not less than 60 days. However, if you submit to the taking of a specimen, and an analysis of the specimen shows that you have an alcohol concentration of less than 0.08, you may be subject to criminal penalties less severe than those provided for under Chapter 49 Penal Code. If you are operating a motor vehicle and you refuse to give the specimen or provide a specimen that shows you have an alcohol concentration of 0.08 or more, you may be disqualified from driving a commercial motor vehicle for a period of not less than 1 year. You may request a hearing on the suspension or denial. This request must be received by the Texas Department of Public Safety at its headquarters in Austin, Texas, no later than 15 days after you receive or are presumed to have received notice of suspension or denial. The request can be made by written demand, fax, or other form prescribed by the department. I certify that I have informed you both orally and in writing of the consequences of refusing to submit to the taking of a specimen or providing a specimen. I have provided you with a complete and true copy of the statutory warning. Ma'am, I'm now going to be requesting a specimen of your breath. Will you submit to the taking of a breath specimen?
Yes.
Okay. That'll happen at the jail here shortly. Now that he has your vehicle loaded, we're going to just go ahead and head on. Grab that so it doesn't fall on you. Sorry.
Was actually shot, so we're still trying to sort this out. 119, go ahead and step it up. We'll have to go up to this residence here in a minute and see what we got.
1123 Waco.
Damn. 1123, go ahead.
I'm going to be en route to the Ellis County Jail. Starting mileage when ready.
$11.23, go ahead.
95973. Again, that's 95973.
11:23. 02, 25 hours.
1123 County.
11:23.
Gonna be 95
Use
one
the right
time.
lane to take the ramp to US 287 south of Corsicana.
Gonna be 95 one time en route to your location.
Go ahead.
It will be 95973.
Merge onto McNaughton Street, then use the left lane to take the US 287
What's
South
your
ramp.
beginning location?
I'll be at the IH-35 and US 287 intersection. Sorry about that, there was something stuck on my window.
Use the left lane to take the US 287 South
We
ramp.
gotta turn that off. There's no quick way. I'll just set it back down.
What's the description of the vehicle again?
No, what we're getting is going to be a 10. Diesel truck with a 0 on the back.
In half a mile, take the exit toward Texas 813. Take the exit toward Texas 813, then slide left onto US 287 bypass south. South.
Tim, is that a match?
In a quarter mile, turn left onto Brown Street.
Negative, they get too loud. I feel almost hit me.
To move down there. Print a copy of deal.
Turn left onto Brown Street.
119, what's your location?
Right here on Almond.
10 block, go ahead, 115.
In a quarter mile, make a U-turn.
Second 27.
Right there.
In 1,000 feet, make a U-turn.
116 at deal. We'll just check it real quick and hold it.
10 block.
Take the next left onto Myrtle Avenue, then turn left
Get a
onto Mary
direction of
Avenue.
travel on that suspect.
Take the next right onto
Now
Percy
these here
Street.
said they just ought to leave the gathering there. Unknown where it went from there. Let's close that driveway out there.
Take the next right onto Center Street, then turn right onto Dunn Street. Take the second left onto Barger Drive.
119, Osceola is clear.
Take the next right onto West Criddle Street, then turn right onto Dunn Street. Take the next left onto East Ross Street, then turn left onto Bow Street. Take the next right onto West 2nd Street, then turn
Yeah,
left onto
just
Dunn
hold
Street.
that. It's a possible witness. They've been released.
10 block.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto Farley Street. Take the next left onto East Parks Avenue, then turn left onto North Jackson Street. Take the next left onto Oldham Avenue, then turn left onto North Jackson Street. In 500 feet, turn right onto Water Street. Take the next right onto Water Street, then turn right onto North Rogers Street. In 600 feet, turn left onto Kaufman Street. Head southeast on East Main Street, Martin Luther King Jr. Boulevard toward South Jackson Street, then turn left onto North Jackson Street.
11:23 Waco. I'll be out at the Ellis County Jail. Indian mileage when ready.
In 500 feet, turn left onto Cliff Street.
95978.
$11.23. 0233.
DPS 1 unit going in. 11:23 County. I'll be out at your location. Indian mileage when ready.
Got it.
95978.
10-4.
Alright, I'm gonna unbuckle you right now. I'm gonna walk around and help you out of the car. Grab that. Go ahead and step on out for me. Just stand over here. Alright, so go ahead and walk this way.
GPS signal lost.
We're going to go into that door over there on the opposite side up those stairs. Dang it, I dropped my phone. Just going up there. Send it. DPS going into the intox room. Step on through. There's going to be a blue door on your right. You're going to be going in this door. Step on in. You have a seat on one of those chairs. Is there a way to turn this off so it doesn't drain all the battery from that?
There's a way to turn the phone off.
Just so get that GPS is going to drain all this battery immediately. So there's no service in here. Is that it turning off, or does that mean it's still on?
It's still on, so if you push that button, it should go off.
Oh, pin to turn off phone.
Yeah, it's a pin for everything, so it's not.
What is it?
It's 06 29.
That's what I just don't want it to die, so you can contact whoever you need to contact once you get out, and so you can get phone numbers off here. I'll just set these out here. If you want to stand up, I'll go ahead and take those cuffs off for now. Clasp your hands. That should be a lot better. There we go. It's effective. Just gonna start filling out papers while we wait. So why do you have your last name hyphenated? Just out of curiosity.
Why is my last name hyphenated? It's my married last name.
Oh, okay. that a Chevy Malibu you were driving?
Yes.
Could stand up here. This is that form I read to you earlier, and your signature right there on this line. Thank you. Oh man, it had to go there. this address in Grapevine still a good address for you? 1910 Stoneway Drive?
No.
Okay, what's a better address?
1636
Okay.
Chatu Circle.
How do you spell that?
CHOTEAU Circle. Grapevine, Texas 76051.
Thank you. up for me. Now put these back on, walk back out, and then walk right back in, okay? Let me just grab this. Let me see here. We'll make it quick. Let me see the other one. Okay. Let's just walk back. It won't take but a couple minutes. Come on in. DPS out to Sally Port. Walk over here, Paul. You just walk up and stand by the car. I have to get a login information for that thing. Let me just wait over here. We can go back in now. DPS into the in-talk slides room. One more time. Why isn't it working? 257 Alright, I'm going to try this one more time. I'm going to go out there, come back in, see if I can get that for this information to work. It's not working. If not, we're going to have to do something else, okay? I'll be right back. Why is it not working? DPS out to the Sally Port again. DPS into the intox room. see if this other one works. You can just stay seated there. We're gonna have to wait a while. I'll take this off again. Sorry. Just have to wait a few minutes. So I'll explain these documents to you while we're waiting. This is the instanter. That's the arrest ticket for the offense. So your information up top up here. This is the offense that you're being arrested for. This was the warning for the stop. Okay. There's other information at the bottom you can read if you would like. This is going to go on your property. Here at the jail. Also, this one, and it's signed as well. This is vehicle inventory form and tow slip. Okay, this is your information. This is your vehicle's information. Who towed it, where it was, and this is the information of the person. This is the signature information of the person who picked it up. Okay, I'll mark where the vehicle is actually going for you. Information right there. DWI towing. Okay. Their phone number is also right here. I'll underline that so you can see these for that's their phone number. So you can contact them or you can provide your fiance with the information from it, okay? Why'd your fiance move down to Waxahachie?
Bought a house out here.
You bought a house? Okay. Why Waxahachie? Why not somewhere else?
Because cost of living was cheaper
No.
than it was where we were.
Were you guys up in Grapevine? Or?
I was in Grapevine. He's in Dallas.
He was in Dallas?
He's in Dallas.
Yeah.
He bought a house out here, and I'm supposed to move. My lease isn't up yet, so when my lease is up in the next 3 months, then I was going to
that's
go
good.
ahead and move out here.
That's good. You taking the kids with you, or do they have to stay with their dad up in Dallas?
No, I'm going to take my
Okay.
I'm going to take, they're going to go.
Good. I don't know why you want to buy a house in Waxahachie right now. It's getting more and more and more.
For this specific reason, I told him, I'm like, I'm like,
Yeah. I mean, I guess it is better than Dallas. Cheap, cost of living wise.
cost of living is less, but
It's just getting more and more and more and more. It's going up thousands of dollars a year just in house values.
I'd rather have stayed out where I'm at.
Did he own a house up in Dallas too, or is he just
No,
living
he
in
had
an
an
apartment?
apartment, and I have a condo that I've had when I met him. So he wanted to get a house.
Okay.
I didn't really want to move out here, but I'm just like I was telling him today.
Do you work up in Dallas?
I'm a data architect for Dallas Cowboys.
Oh,
So I
okay.
do, and I used to cheer for them. So I finished my master's in IT, so I'm an architect for them. And
Okay.
so I work like maybe 15 minutes from my house.
Oh, that's not bad at all. What does a data architect do?
Basically, you blueprint whatever systems are needed to support whatever the business is.
Okay.
So depending on, like if you were to come in and say, oh, our business needs this system, this system, this system, I develop it.
Oh, that's really good.
Do the blueprint for it. Then we have programmers come in and create the modules, create the systems.
When did you finish your master's? You said you just finished it.
Oh, I finished it a year ago.
A year ago?
Yeah.
Is it UT?
SMU.
SMU.
UT
Oh,
is
okay.
UT. I did my
Undergrad,
bachelor's there.
yeah.
So,
Well, two very good schools.
yeah.
Where does your son want to go to college?
Oh, God.
Or does he
has
want
no
to?
clue. He doesn't want to. He's still trying to find himself. He's a musician. He doesn't know.
There's nothing wrong with that, right?
Musician, so he's still trying to figure out what he wants to do.
Is he a junior or a senior?
He just graduated.
Oh, he just graduated from high school. Oh, so he graduated early.
He graduated this year.
Good for him.
He graduated last week.
Good for him.
And he, I think he's probably gonna take 2 years, do his associates for 2 years.
Yeah.
Then
Just stay at home.
gotta give him some time to figure out what he wants to do.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's gonna go.
If he does move down here, maybe you can always go to Navarro or
Yeah.
something.
Yeah.
A lot cheaper that way too.
Oh, yeah.
You said your other son is
No,
9?
he's 9.
9.
He's
Yes.
he's in 3rd grade. He's a handful.
Well, I'm
Two
sure.
boys, I'm like, that's it.
That's a little bit of a spread between them too.
10 and a half years.
Yeah.
Yeah. 10 and a half years.
We just have to wait 5 more minutes and we can get started on this.
So do they wait whenever I have to, what normally happens as far as when I have to go see the judge and
Okay, so-
when I get called to tell them to try and get me?
As soon as we're done in here, and I go and I complete the other paperwork I have to do in the jail, you'll have to wait in the jail for, let's see, what time is it? It's a little after 3. Judges normally get here around maybe 8 or 9. It is a Sunday, so they'll probably get here earlier.
Okay.
So they have to wait for a few hours. They'll see the judge, and he'll do what's called an arraignment, and that's where he just tells you the charges and your rights, and he sets a bond. Once he sets that bond, you can bond out, and then so later today, your fiance could come and pick you up. It depends on time, depends on how many people are getting out, because you have to wait. But you'll be able, if you do bond out, you'll be able to get out today. No problem.
What's the how do they determine the bond?
The judges kind of have a set system they go by. It varies from charge to charge. And it also depends on the judge that comes in. Some of them do higher, some of them do lower, some of them stay right about the same as everyone else. It's just up to them. They're always very reasonable and fair about it, though. Since we are a smaller area than, let's say, Dallas County, they have their own judge up at the jail all the time. So as soon as someone
Here
goes up,
has their own.
no, Dallas does.
Oh.
So like big areas like Dallas and Houston, San Antonio, and Austin, they you go into the jail, you see the judge, and you can get out just a few hours later. But because we're smaller, they just come once a day every day. Luckily, it's not too far from
They
there.
come like once in the morning. They do all of them.
They do all of them for everyone who's arrested, which sometimes can be a lot of people.
Right.
So luckily it's just a few hours before they're going to come because.
How do you know when to call someone to tell them that you've seen someone?
They'll let you use the phone.
They wait till after you.
Yeah, they'll let you use the phone here. You can, as soon as we're done, you can call your fiance and tell them you're here and tell them what's going on. And explain all that to them. I explained it to them out there too. Told them what to expect.
And then where do you just go and find out where they took where they took my car?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, all that information I showed you. You can go get your car. Your fiance can go get your car. Or he can take you over there when he picks you up. Whatever works. It'd probably be a good idea to call them before you go over there, just to make sure they're actually there and they can expect you.
But they're somewhere around here.
Yeah, they're I believe the yard they took it to is in Midlothian, so 10 minutes away maybe. It's not far. Go ahead and stand it up. Actually, it's going to take a minute. It'll take a minute to get ready. It has to do all its operations checks. Or you can come up. Done. I have one more check. One more. you're gonna do. I tell you to, you're gonna grab this and you're gonna blow through that tip, long steady stream of air, okay? Don't just try and blow it all at once, just long and steady. Just take a deep breath before you do it. Try and get as much in there as you can. Otherwise, it'll just keep on giving errors and it'll never work. Go ahead and grab onto that. Keep on going, almost there. You might need to try it one more time. All right, deep breath.
Please blow long and steady.
Go. Keep on going, keep on going, keep on going. Hopefully that's enough. I'm gonna try one more time. You're blowing too much.
Please blow
Yeah,
long
try
and
again.
steady.
Take another breath. Let's try this again. You're not breathing into it enough. All right, whenever you're ready. Just keep it going as long as you can. Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep it going. A little bit more. That should be good. There you go. All right, you can sit back down. It's gonna take, I think, 2 minutes, and then you'll have a chance to do one more time. The old ones, you should take twice as much breath too. So imagine that one being hard.
Somebody with asthma gonna fall out
Oh man,
and die.
it was difficult. Should almost be ready if you want to walk back over here. Here you go.
Do it again.
Yes, ma'am. One more time. Just one last time. You have to do twice.
Please blow long and steady.
That was perfect. All right, you can sit back down. That should be it. you consumed any other substances? No. Nothing else, okay. Alright, so your breath came back just under the legal limit. Alright, it is almost 2 hours after the stop. So that does show your alcohol concentration was well above the legal limit while you're operating your motor vehicle. Because the stop occurred at 1:30, and it is 3:20 right now, so that's almost 2 hours for it to dissipate out of your system. Alright, so we're done in here. So let me lock this back up. Use your phone.
I have it.
You
Do you need it?
No. You can
Oh,
have
okay. What do I do with this
Did you
stuff?
turn it back on?
No.
Oh, you just kept it straight on.
There's my battery.